It's raining outside. I mean, how am I expected to focus on calculus on a day like this? It's raining outside. I love rain. And I'm stuck in here doing homework. Stay in school, kids. So frustrating. It's so pretty outside. The raindrops are pattering on the sidewalk. And everything's getting so wonderfully cool, and I am in here, obviously not doing calculus homework anyway, but you know, sitting here with my book right here, doing nothing because I don't feel like doing calculus, and it's raining outside, and it's calling to me. I want to go outside. These are the instruments of my procrastination. I feel you should know this, future self. When you watch this video back, and you see all these things that you were doing, instead of calculus, and you see all that you were putting in place with your math homework, which ruined your chances of being able to go outside in the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rain. Why? Future self, you ought to be ashamed. You should be so ashamed. You should be infuriated right now because it's raining outside and you are inside. And so many cars pass by. That's besides the point. Move along, nothing to see here. You see this beautiful, beautiful, refreshing rain. Instead, you're here doing calculus because you need to learn about extrema and all this other stuff that is apparently useful in some way. You need to know. You need to practice it and commit it to memory so you can go to a good college where hopefully it'll rain a lot. Just hope. My name is Aimee. I really, really, really should be doing that.